Alright, what's up, guys? So, I'm sorry, I apologize for the light. It's pretty dark in here. This is our office. I only got the desk light in here. We don't have a ceiling light, so it's kind of dark. But I'm just going to do a little unboxing, I guess. I already opened it, but I figured I'll show you guys. Kind of repackaged it. There's not much in there. But, ordered the leaf springs, and then the front leaf spring hanger, which I have to weld on my frame. The leaf spring hanger is from Trail Gear. It's kind of covered up here, but and then the leaf springs, I mean, there's not much to show you. They're leaf springs. They came with the bushings in them already. They are Rancho part number 44044. A lot of people use those on Toyota solid axle swaps, S10 solid axle swaps, and I've seen a few people use them on Ranger solid axle swaps, so that's what I went with. I don't know too many of the specs from them, but I know the spring rate is 300 pounds. That's about all I know. I forgot the length. I can get that information. I'll put it in the video for you guys. I'm going to put a link to everything and where I got it from. I'm not sponsored by anyone or anything like that, but I do know that I have a coupon code for these for 5% off. The code didn't work on the springs, but it's for anything you put in your cart, excluding some items. So apparently the springs were some items. I got them from fourwheelparts.com. And yeah, you put in 5 capital OFF and it'll give you 5% off, kind of whatever they choose in your cart. So you guys can use that. Like I said, I'm not sponsored by them. I'm not paid or anything like that. I just order parts from there, use the coupon code, and I figure I'll share it with you guys. So let's open this. Like I said, this is Trail Gear parts. Paper in here. So this is the leaf spring hanger. This will get welded underneath my frame. It'll go across the frame rails there, and then the leaf springs will sit right in here. And then I just got to figure out what I'm doing for the back mounting wise. This thing is pretty heavy duty. I was thinking about making my own after I saw how simple this was, but then I just decided it's a lot quicker. This is cheap enough. It was less than 100 bucks. I just ordered it, and honestly I'm pretty impressed with it. The welds are all really nice on there. This is, I believe, 1/4 inch thick. Pretty heavy duty. A lot nicer than, I guess, if I would have tried to build my own off some pictures. And I mean, everything's measured out for you. You don't have to figure any of that out. And like I said, less than 100 bucks. You can't really beat it. I think this one was $90 something. It came with all this. You can get it for $80 something, and it doesn't come with any of this, but I figured why not for $10 more. Your bushings, in case the leaf springs you're using don't have bushings, these come with bushings for them. Here, I can actually open this up for you guys. This up quick. The bolts have holes in them and grease fittings, so they're greasable. I'm honestly not sure what these tabs are for. They say they get Trail Gear printed on them, engraved. Like I said, bushings. And your nuts, obviously, for the other side. These are pretty nice. These are kind of expensive if you buy them by themselves. Like 10-15 bucks for a bolt, which is pretty ridiculous. But they are grade 8, greasable. That'll be really nice. And he's got the rest of your bushings and another plate. I think I'm going to email him and ask him what this is for. I believe this, like I said, I'll put the link in here, but I believe it's been a while since I ordered it. I've been waiting to do this, but I think it's for a Toyota. It's a Toyota solid axle swap bracket. They don't make anything for Ford Ranger solid axle swaps, so that's why you kind of got to piece it together yourself, figure out what you're doing, do a lot of measuring. There's a lot of fabricating that goes into it, just because, like I said, they don't make kits for it. So that's that. Show you guys the leaf springs real quick. Pretty basic, just leaf springs. So, it's the unboxing. I'm gonna put this video out. I'm putting another video out tonight, which would be me tearing some more stuff off, tearing more stuff apart on the truck. I filmed it weeks ago. I've been slacking on the videos. I've been working pretty late. Lately I've been having friends come over work on the truck. It's kind of hard to film when I do that, just because we end up talking or whatever, and I forget about filming. So I got some more work done on the truck. I didn't start putting anything together, so it's all just stuff coming apart, which I'm not really too worried about filming. I'm sure you guys can figure that out, but I'll definitely be filming this going on. I'll be doing that this weekend, welding that on, figuring that out, measuring for the leaf springs, what size hangers and shackles and all that I need for the back half. Then ordering some more parts here. I'll show you guys that stuff. So thanks for watching. Keep following along the build if you're following along. If you're new to the channel, check out some of my other videos. I'd really appreciate it. I'll see you guys.